Namaste. Hi, my name is Meena. Today I'm graduating and I did my master in computer science from the University of Wolverhampton itself. The highlight of my academic journey in the University of Wolverhampton, it has been incredible because representing university itself in the GSE UK level, it has been the proud moment for me, and I have learned the innovation and technology with that. Not only that, winning the CTF competition in GSE UK IBM with the team, and it helped me to showcase my skills. So the university has been the hub, and it has provided the resource for me and the inspiration for me. So there is a true term called the potential and the possibilities. So university has helped me to meet my potentiality to the possibilities. The challenges I faced here is like different challenges of some kind, like the multitasking. So we have like academic challenges, as well as being an international student. It's very difficult to understand the cultural and the diversity problems, etc. And of course, organizing different events, leading the society, it helped me to be like, it's very difficult challenges for me. Not only that, with coping all the challenges, like taking help from the staff. Especially, I would like to thank the career and employability teams who helped me, who gave me wings to understand beyond my ability, understand the UK cultures, and leading the programs and winning the Event of the Society award. Apart from them, again, I got the award. It's like the list, semi-finalist in Birmingham Tech Week. So many awards at the same time. So the challenges was there, but I do have my spiritual foundation. And talking with the staff, very helpful staff, and the resources available here, it really helped me to cope with all the challenges with the resilience, determination, and commitment. University of Wolverhampton has given me the wing, and it helped me to explore my opportunities within myself, my personal and professional goal. So the blend of educations, workshops, and the different resources available here in the university, it has helped me to grow more and more. Before I was not confident, but gaining the skills over here, now I'm much more confident, So university teams, especially the enterprise teams, it has helped me to understand more about how to identify the gap. And in order to mitigate the gap, it helped me how to find the possible solution. So this is the best thing that I have learned over here. So in my near future, I would love to be the IT person with the technology background. And I would like to thank the university itself for providing such a platform where it has helped me to grow more, embrace everything, explore everything, and never say no to any opportunities provided by the university itself. Because, there is a term called, there is a concept, and it will make it reality. So University of Wolverhampton is a hub. It will make your dream come into reality, and this is possible. It happened to having an education gap of 7 years. And of course, there is a gap, there is a lack of confidence and skill, but university has really given me the inspiration and motivation to make an impact in my life. And before, I was also in the leadership position, but it has made my, confident and shaped in such a way so that I can really make impact to the society, world, and being a better person. Graduating today, it's a wonderful journey. So I still remember the woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. But it is not the end. This is the beginning of my chapter. I want to make impact to the society, world, and the graduating today, it has given me inspiration and motivation to go ahead in my life and my dream.